You want a successful business? You need customers. It's the lifeblood of any enterprise. To get customers, you need marketing. It's that simple. Marketing is the bridge between your product and the people who need it. No matter how great your product or service is, nobody will know about it without marketing. It's the megaphone that amplifies your message. Think of marketing as spreading the word. It's about creating awareness and generating interest. You're telling the world, hey, we've got something awesome here, and you want everyone to know about it. In today's digital age, there are countless ways to market your business online: social media, content marketing, email campaigns, and more. SEO, it can be overwhelming, but it's crucial for visibility. It's about making sure your business shows up when people search for related terms. But what if I told you there's a marketing method that cuts through the noise and puts your message directly in front of your ideal customer? It's about precision and targeting, ensuring your efforts are not wasted. Enter solo ads. Imagine sending a postcard about your business directly to a list of people who have already expressed interest in your niche. That's essentially what solo ads are. You're renting an email list from someone else in your industry and sending a one-time advertisement directly to their subscribers. These subscribers have opted in to receive emails about your industry, meaning they're already primed to be interested in what you're offering. No more shouting into the void and hoping someone hears you. Solo ads are like laser-focused marketing missiles, delivering your message straight to the bullseye. So, what are the benefits of using solo ads? First and foremost, targeting. When you run a solo ad campaign, you're not just sending your message to anyone with an email address. You're reaching out to a highly targeted audience interested in your specific niche. This targeted approach means you're more likely to get clicks, leads, and ultimately, sales. Another major advantage of solo ads is their cost effectiveness. Compared to other forms of online advertising like pay-per-click, solo ads can be significantly cheaper, especially when you consider the highly targeted nature of your audience. Section 4. Proof is in the pudding. Don't just take my word for it. The evidence speaks for itself. Businesses of all sizes, from startups to established enterprises, are seeing incredible results with solo ads. Take, for example, a fitness coach who wanted to promote their new online training program. They were looking for an effective way to reach a targeted audience. They decided to run a solo ad campaign targeting fitness enthusiasts subscribed to a popular health and wellness blog. The results were impressive, to say the least. The coach saw a click-through rate of over 5% and generated over 100 new leads, several of whom went on to purchase their training program. This not only boosted their sales but also expanded their client base significantly. This is just one example of how solo ads can drive real, tangible results for businesses. Whether you're in fitness, tech, or any other industry, solo ads can be a game changer. Section 5. The numbers don't lie. Let's talk numbers. On average, solo ads have a click-through rate of 1 to 5%. This means that out of every 100 emails sent, you can expect 1 to 5 people to click on your ad. It's a simple yet powerful metric that can significantly impact your marketing efforts. That means for every 100 emails sent, you can expect 1 to 5 people to click on your ad. This might not sound like much, but in the world of digital marketing, these numbers can make a huge difference. Now compare that to the average click-through rate for display ads, which hovers around a measly 0.35%. The difference is staggering. Display ads, while still useful, simply don't engage audiences in the same way. But it doesn't stop there. The real magic happens when you consider the conversion rates. Because you're reaching a highly targeted audience with solo ads, your conversion rates, the percentage of people who take a desired action, like making a purchase, are also significantly higher. This means that not only are more people clicking on your ads, but more of those clicks are turning into actual sales or leads. This combination of high click-through rates and conversion rates makes solo ads one of the most effective online marketing strategies for businesses looking to grow their customer base and boost their bottom line. When you can consistently reach the right audience and convert those clicks into meaningful actions, your marketing efforts become much more efficient and profitable. Section 6. Take action, grow your business. In the ever-evolving world of online marketing, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve and leverage strategies that deliver results. Solo ads offer a unique opportunity to connect directly with your target audience, generate high-quality leads, and ultimately, grow your business. Don't let this powerful marketing tool pass you by. Start exploring the world of solo ads today and watch your business soar.